What up, guys? So I'm introing this vlog in Walmart right now. We're just gonna, I came here for a few things, but we're just gonna go in here and mess around a little bit and see if we can get into any trouble. Not real trouble, but like, we're just gonna have some fun in here. I'm getting a one of these handicap cards. I don't know how to turn it on though.
They see me rolling, they hating, patrolling and trying to catch me riding dirty, 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 trying to catch me riding dirty. My music's so loud, I'm swinging, they hoping that they gon' catch me riding dirty, trying to catch me riding.
Sir, can you get that for me? Off the top shelf. Can't reach. Not that one, not that one. The other one. Look both ways. I like that one. Got this little dog, he's going down. Alright, so I just picked up a couple stuffed animals and some confetti eggs, and the plan is to get some dry ice tomorrow, and then I'm going to completely blow them up with the confetti eggs inside the animals. Alright, what up guys? So I'm continuing this vlog from last night. Sorry it's not the same day, but we went too late to go get the stuffed animals and stuff. So now we're going to go get some dry ice so we can do a little experiment with these puppies right here. Alright guys, so we just got some dry ice, and just got my car washed too actually, but I'm gonna check on it right now. Still looking good, so I'm gonna go look at some things real quick, and then we're gonna go do this little experiment and see how it goes. Oh my god, look at this dude right here. He's not. You alright, man? What up? No. What's your name? Mike? I'm Brad. Nice to meet you, man. You want to be in my YouTube video? Want to say what's up and give a shout out to whoever?
What's up? Shout out to Noah's Ark.
Alright, for sure, man. Later. Just got Mike in my YouTube video. Mike's dope. We actually we go to Fresno State.
This is fast, bro. This is fast.
Okay, what's up guys? So we just found a place where we could actually do this little experiment we plan on doing. Will you stop hitting that? We're gonna, where we can do our little experiment. So we got some confetti eggs right here, if you can see those. We got a hammer, and then we got some water and some dry ice, so that's doing good. And then we got a couple stuffed animals for Easter. This is like an Easter vlog. See these guys right here? That's Steve, and that's Pinky, and we're gonna blow these up. Alright, we're gonna start this off with a little test run. Kind of froze my shoe off, look at that. What the fuck? Okay, so we're gonna do a test one first. We're just gonna do it with a water bottle. So we're gonna put this dry ice inside of it. Alright, so now I'm gonna hit up some dry ice. Let's get this. Ow, it's in my shoe. Oh guys, coolest thing happened to me today. So this morning I was on Twitter, and I don't know if you guys know who Jake Miller is, but he's a musician, and he followed me. Craziest thing ever. I was not expecting it. Alright, that should be about this. Shout out to Jake Angelis because he gave me this idea. Ow! Look at it evaporating. Okay, so we're gonna try this real quick. Look at, come here, stop backing away. So the water bottle right there. I don't know if anything's working with it yet. Oh look, it's starting to get bigger. So we're just patiently waiting for this to explode. Oh, I think it's about to pop. Damn. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. That just happened. That scared the shit out of me. Alright guys, so now I've got my handy dandy police issued knife right here, and I'm about to destroy Pinky and Steve. So I'm going to cut a hole in them. Get closer because the thing is zoomed out. Performing surgery on them. Oh, I should have put the hole in their head. Alright, there we go. See that? We got some good holes for them. Alright, now I'm going to fill these up and we're going to put them inside there along with these confetti eggs to get a little surprise. So I'm going to go ahead and put 6 in each. This is going to be so sick when it goes off. Like, I hope this confetti just freaking goes ape. The last one we were too close to, and honestly that hurt my ears. It scared the shit out of me. And so we're almost, well, I'm almost done filling up these 2 things with some dried ice, and then I'm gonna put some water in them, and then those Pinky and Steve are gonna go kaboom. And then we gotta get out of here because we might get a noise complaint. Okay, so leave a comment below on what you think of this explosion. Leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Don't back away either, stay close. You gotta get me video. Alright guys, so I'm gonna fill these up right now, and then I'm gonna put them inside Pinky and Steve, and we're gonna see them explode. Maybe we'll do one at a time.
Yeah.
You can hear it crackling. Get over here by the tree. I wish I could zoom in, but this is on my GoPro. Damn. What the heck? The confetti exploded, but way inside there, they didn't even, I was expecting it to be a huge explosion in the air. But look at that, kind of destroyed it. I should have put more bottle in it. Alright, so we're going to try one more time with a different animal. Number 2. Shit, bro, did you get it? Oh my god, I almost got torn with that. Look, it's still going. Grab that egg. This is the aftermath. Damn, that was sick. It wasn't honestly what I expected though, because I wanted it to be some big, huge explosion with the confetti. So yeah, I wanted it to be a huge explosion where the confetti would shoot up in the air. So next time I do this, I'm gonna come out here with a liter, like a liter of cola. I'm gonna pour all that out, and then I'm gonna put the liter inside of a bear, and we're gonna see it explode from there. So that should be pretty cool. So yeah guys, I think I'm gonna end this vlog here, and if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and then I will see you guys next time. Bye.